This is my son. This is Mika. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we're gonna bake a cheesecake together. It's high in protein and it has pistachios and it's delicious, right?
It has everything.
It has everything you need in a cheesecake. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. And today we're gonna be baking something sweet. I have two kids, two sons, and one of them recently tried a cheesecake in a restaurant and he became obsessed. Now that's all he's craving, all he's asking for. And we're gonna make our own today, but with a few pretty cool additions. Number one, we're gonna be adding cottage cheese. I think that this is like the hit of like the summer. Everybody's cooking cottage cheese bread and cottage cheese pancakes. I actually have a really good recipe with poppy seed and lemon. And today we're gonna add some cottage cheese to the cheesecake because this is just gonna give it that extra pop of protein. You're not really gonna taste it, but it's good stuff. We're also gonna be adding pistachio butter because we're on this like pistachio kick. My whole family loves pistachios. We're gonna be adding some nuts on top of the cake, but inside we're gonna be adding pistachio butter. Now you can make this at home by yourself. I have a store-bought one. The ingredients are basically just 100% pistachios, which is all I'm looking for in a nut butter. But you can sub this for almond butter or peanut butter, but trust me, this adds such a depth of flavor. I really suggest you try it. Everything else is very basic. We're gonna be using eggs. We're gonna be using cream cheese. I have this light version. This is gonna be a no crust cheesecake. So it's actually very, very easy to cook. I might even ask Mika, my son, the guy with the cheesecake obsession, to cook it with me. So there's no crust, but inside the batter itself, we're gonna be adding a little bit of cornstarch just to kind of help it keep and hold together, and a little bit of sugar, just a tiny bit. The recipe comes together in one blender or in one food processor. You just basically dump in one by one the ingredients and it's done. It's that simple. So we're like little savages. We eat the cheesecake right out of the parchment paper. Good job, sweetie. Look at that. How is it? No bad? Not bad at all. Guys, you have to try it. I think it's the easiest cheesecake you'll ever make. And it really is delicious. It's not too sweet. It has that hint. You can see yourself, yeah, like in a mirror. It has that hint of pistachios, the orange zest on top. Could you take it out of the parchment paper and serve it on a beautiful dish? Of course. But we're just too excited about eating it and a bit too lazy. Is this your favorite cheesecake recipe?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you remember I used to make a burnt Basque cheesecake?
Oh, yeah.
Do you? Let me know if you want the recipe of my burnt Basque cheesecake. Every year we go to Biarritz and we travel across the Basque country, and they have this place called La Vigna. It's famous for their burnt Basque cheesecake, and we have the recipe. Let me know if you want it in the comments. In the meantime, try this.
Just try it.